In today's video, I'll show you on how you can create and save NinjaTrader Workspace. So before we save our workspace, we need to simply create one first. To do that, you want to click on the workspaces option. It's going to be on the main window right here. Click on the default workspaces, and from here you then want to navigate through the workspace that you want to save. So in my case, I'll simply create a cryptocurrency workspace right here. I'll select cryptocurrency. It will then open up a bunch of windows that I could customize depending on the workspace that I want. But simply right after customizing your workspace, you can just click on the workspaces once more. Click on default workspaces, and from here you will be able to see a new option called save as. So before you save your workspace right here, you want to make sure that you have already edited your charts, the market analyzer, SuperDOM, and more. But you can just click on the save as button, enter your workspace name. In my case, I'll just name it randomly like this one. And if we navigate through our workspaces once more, we will be able to see the saved workspace. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.